Terra Luna Classic price prediction as LUNC turns green. Here's the next direction for LUNC. Terra Luna Classic price is up 1.5% in the last 24 hours to reach $0.000168, while the broader market is up by a similar percentage. It's currently down 6% in a week and 8.5% in the last 30 days, as a mix of SEC actions against Terraform Labs and struggling investor sentiment. Despite the recent dips, LUNC is likely to rebound again in the near future as the Terra Luna Classic community rallies around proposals to boost the altcoin's price. Terra Luna Classic price prediction as LUNC turns green. LUNC's chart shows a rebound after a rough week. Its 30-day moving average, red, has dropped below 200 days, blue, and once it bottoms out, the coin may indeed rebound. In addition, LUNC's relative strength index, purple, rose to 50 after spending a few days dipping just below 30. Therefore, this rising momentum could hint for a bigger rally in the coming days. If LUNC can decisively break the $0.000167 resistance level, it could see a more sustained rise. Previous attempts to break above this price have stalled, so a clear break could signal a move to a more stable level. In terms of fundamentals, what can help make such a breakout happen is progress in implementing a proposal that was recently accepted by Terra Luna Classic validators. Notably, the community has adopted a plan to repenetrate LUNC's sister coin, USTC. Such refixation would require large-scale burning of the LUNC. So far, only 39.4 billion LUNCs have been burned out of the 5.9 trillion circulating supply, so a massive boost in burning is definitely needed if the Terra Luna Classic community is serious about returning the altcoin to its former levels. The other major source of LUNC burns is Binance, which will continue to burn LUNC transaction fees starting next month. A big boost for the coin as the Terra Luna Classic network temporarily halts its exchange burn program, until a change in the way the whitelist is processed for on-chain burn. However, it should be noted that while plans are emerging for the strengthening of Terra Luna Classic, including the recent establishment of a task force, a certain amount of dissonance exists within its community. For example, there have been some voices opposed to the refactoring proposal. Given the SEC's recent actions against Terraform Labs and stablecoins like BUSD, the main argument against it seems like it could be legally risky. Therefore, it is not certain that the refactoring proposal will actually be implemented in the way many LUNC owners expect. On top of that, other recent events point to tensions within the Terra Luna Classic community, including a proposal from late January to stop payments to a developer for criticizing certain validators. Such a conflict comes on top of the SEC's moves against Terraform Labs and Terra's founder, Do Kwon. While these don't necessarily directly affect Terra Luna Classic, it has now become more decentralized and community managed. They can still drive LUNC into association. Given all this uncertainty, it's tempting to argue that LUNC isn't going to do much until a truly substantial refix or burn proposal is put in place. Until then, the market may oscillate between recovery and further declines. Therefore, a measured and realistic target for LUNC at the moment, assuming good news, would be around $0.0002, which the cryptocurrency could reach in the next few weeks. Of course, if a real plan is put in place, a few zeros could be knocked out of its price by the end of 2023.